if you're expecting us to share some big news in this video, you might actually be right.
I'm Craig and this is my wife Chantal.
We both grew up in this beautiful province KZN, and over the last 2.5 years we've really enjoyed sharing all this province has to offer with you.
We've decided to come to one of our favourite spots here in KZN to break our news.
If you want to take any guesses as to what it is, feel free to let us know in the comments.
One of our New Year's resolutions was to take every opportunity that presented itself.
And little did we know what a massive opportunity would come our way.
Out of the blue, I received a message on LinkedIn which led to an interview and then a job offer.
And we just couldn't say no.
We are moving to New Zealand. It's very far.
Everything has happened really quickly, and we'll be flying in just over a month's time.
We are nervous and excited at the same time, but we are really looking forward to this new adventure.
Of course, we'll be taking you on every step of this journey. We'll share our experience with getting visas, timelines, packing up, all of those things in an upcoming video.
Before we do that, we want to do a last few Durban videos, a bucket list video, a things to do in Durban video, and the things we'll miss in Durban, as well as one cool thing at the end is a comrades video, which I'll be doing pretty much 10 to 12 days before we leave.
And we want to vlog the whole thing, so if you're actually going to be supporting comrades, please let us know, because we might need your help in filming a few pieces of Craig running and finishing in Durban. We know that a lot of you are here for the South African content, but we'd appreciate it so much if you stick around for all our future adventures. That's it for today's video though. If you have any thoughts or anything about our big decision and our big move, please let us know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
That is my wife Chantal acting the fool. It's pretty cool. We're here during the week and there's no one in sight. It is so quiet. We have the whole promenade to ourselves. I'm very impressed. I took leave today, so it is a normal work day, but everybody at work.